Water is essential for every part of our lives. Not only does this mean that we can't live without it, it also means we have many opportunities to conserve it. And the bathroom is where you can make the biggest saving. Showering uses much less water than taking a bath, as long as you keep it short. Always try to limit your lathering to 5 minutes. When you brush your teeth, don't leave the tap running. And make sure you pop a hippo in your toilet cistern. When it comes to the shirt on your back, look out for brands that reduce their water footprint. And when your duds get dirty, always wash them on a full load. In this case, more is less. In the kitchen, it's all about turning that tap off, believe it or not. As long as you always fill the machine up, modern dishwashers use less water than washing by hand. But if washing by hand is the only way, fill up a bowl rather than leave the tap running. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And last but not least, support charities that help provide clean water to those in need. You can make a real difference by donating even a small amount. With new technologies enabling people to provide clean water in the harshest conditions. As the global climate changes, all of us will start to notice the effects of water stress. But by savouring every last drop, we can make sure that reliable, clean water is something that everyone can tap into.